On the occasion of International Day of Peace, members of the Brahma Kumaris gathered at one of the world's most famous places, the Times Square in New York. Together, they chanted the sound of Om, filling the air with vibrations of peace and love. Present at this special event were BK's sister Janam, the director of Meditation Museum in Washington, D.C., along with her BK Geeta, BK Madhvi, BK Rona, BK Nirvair, Grammy winner Satnam Kaur and BK Manju's sister from India. Their chanting created a divine atmosphere that was truly unforgettable. The message of peace spread throughout the area, touching the hearts of everyone around. Many media outlets were also there to cover this wonderful occasion, sharing the spirit of peace with the world. Rajyogi BK Nirvair Bhaiji, the General Secretary of the Brahma Kumaris organization, passed away on the night of September 19th at 11:30 p.m., leaving his physical body and taking the lap of Bap Dada. He was known for his big heart, compassion, dedication, and a life full of selflessness. On Sunday, September 22nd at 12 p.m., Nirvair Bhaiji's mortal remains were given final rite with a guard of honor, attended by thousands of BK members. Dignitaries present included Brahma Kumaris Chief Rajyogini Dadi Vratan Mohini Ji, Additional Chief Administrator BK Mohini Didi and BK Jayanti Didi, Joint Chief Administrator BK Sudesh Didi, BK Santosh Didi, BK Munni Didi, BK Shashi Didi and other important guests from India and abroad. The news News of Rajyogi B.K. Nirvair Bhaiji's passing brought condolences from many leaders, including the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi, and BJP National President J.P. Nadda, as well as chief ministers from various states. After the funeral, a special tribute was held at Diamond Hall for Nirvair Bhaiji, where B.K. Shashi Didi went to the subtle world to receive a message from Baap Dada for Nirvair Bhai. Let's listen to the message. As soon as Shashi Didi reached the subtle world, it was beautifully decorated with lights and shining lamps. Baap Dada felt proud and happy about Nirvair Bhai, calling him a special gem. Baap Dada then congratulated Nirvair Bhai for his great service. When Shashi Didi asked Baba why Nirvair Bhai was called so quickly, Baba said Nirvair Bhai would explain. Nirvair Bhai then shared that Baba had come up with some new ideas for service, and my name was the first on the list. So I said yes to Baba. He called me and I flew to him. A tribute program was also organized in various countries to honor Nirvair Bhaiji, especially in St. Petersburg, Russia, under the leadership of B.K. Santosh Didi, the director of Brahma Kumaris in St. Petersburg. The B.K. family gathered to offer their heartfelt tributes.
बच्चों को अव्यक्त करने छोड़ दिया देही का जाल बाबा तेरी है कमाल तेरी सेवा बेमिसाल बच्चों को अव्यक्त करने छोड़ दिया देही का जाल बाबा तेरी है कमाल
That's all for now. Thank you for watching our broadcast today. We hope that you found our coverage informative and valuable. Join us again next time for more news and updates on events around the world. Till then, take care and goodbye.